Did you know that drinking rosemary tea daily can bring unexpected health benefits? Rosemary is not only a wonderful spice in cuisine, but also a precious natural remedy dating back to ancient Rome. This mint family plant, known for its pleasant aroma, has been used for centuries as a natural treatment for health issues like headaches, improving memory and focus, reducing bloating and constipation. Recently, scientific research has further explored and validated rosemary's uses. Today, we'll delve deeper into the health benefits of rosemary and how it can help treat conditions ranging from mild to severe, including digestive issues and neurodegenerative diseases. You won't want to miss out, as we also share useful tips and simple recipes to easily incorporate rosemary into your daily diet, enjoying its fresh, woody flavor and distinctive aroma. Rosemary primarily uses its needle-like leaves and essential oil, not just in cooking but also in medicine. With a long and diverse history in healing, rosemary is recognized for its many traditional medicinal uses. The health benefits of rosemary come from its unique compounds. Rosemary contains strong phenolic compounds with antioxidant and antibacterial properties, enhancing overall health. If you decide to harvest rosemary directly from the garden, remember to wash it thoroughly before use. You can also buy rosemary at herbal stores. Now, let's explore 10 convincing reasons to start drinking rosemary tea every day. One of the most notable benefits is its ability to improve blood sugar levels. 1. Helps improve blood sugar levels. Rosemary is particularly beneficial for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, as it can enhance insulin sensitivity, making the insulin from the pancreas more effective. This means that sugar, or glucose, in the blood is more easily absorbed by muscle cells, thereby helping to naturally and effectively control blood sugar levels. In this article, we'll take you deep into the world of rosemary, helping you understand more about the wonderful benefits it brings. From improving digestive function to aiding in the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases, rosemary holds health secrets you shouldn't overlook. So, stay tuned with us to not miss any valuable information about this amazing herb. Rosemary, a herb commonly used in cooking, not only imparts a distinctive flavor to dishes but also contains compounds that act similarly to insulin. This makes rosemary an excellent choice for controlling blood sugar levels.
2. Rosemary improves blood circulation. Furthermore, rosemary also improves blood circulation by dilating blood vessels, helping to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for cardiovascular and brain complications. The dilation of blood vessels not only helps to reduce blood pressure but also enhances microcirculation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently transported to tissues, while quickly removing waste from metabolic processes. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosemary also contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, it's important to be cautious when consuming rosemary, especially when drinking rosemary tea or other forms, as it can cause side effects. If you have an existing health condition or are on medication, it's advisable to consult a doctor before using rosemary as a supplement.
3. Reduces digestive problems. Rosemary also has the ability to improve digestion, alleviating symptoms of bloating and abdominal distension. Its antispasmodic properties help relax the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, reducing discomfort and enhancing the digestion process. Moreover, rosemary stimulates the secretion of bile from the gallbladder, aiding in the digestion of fats and optimizing the digestive process. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosemary make it particularly beneficial for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Rosemary plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy immune system and balancing the gut microbiota. Its prebiotic properties nourish beneficial bacteria, creating a healthy gut environment. Additionally, rosemary's antibacterial properties help inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. 4. Enhances brain function. Rosemary is recognized by scientists for its potential benefits to the brain. Carnosic acid, a key component in rosemary, fights against brain damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, rosemary aids in the breakdown of acetylcholine, a chemical in the brain, optimizing communication between nerve cells, thereby improving memory and concentration. These benefits extend beyond cognitive abilities to overall mental health support. We hope that through this article, you will gain a deeper understanding of the diverse health benefits rosemary offers. From controlling blood sugar, improving blood circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, enhancing the immune system, improving gut health, to boosting brain function, rosemary truly is a super herb worth incorporating into your daily diet. Remember to consult a doctor before consuming rosemary, especially if you have any specific health conditions or are taking medication. Enjoy the wonderful benefits of rosemary safely and effectively. Rosemary, an herb with a distinctive flavor, is not just a refined spice in cuisine but is also known for its remarkable effects on both mental and physical health. Numerous studies have confirmed that rosemary can enhance mood, reduce anxiety and fatigue, making it a useful addition to daily life. Additionally, rosemary has long been used to improve memory and focus, a tradition dating back to ancient Greece. One of the notable health benefits of rosemary is its positive impact on the brain. Improved blood circulation, as discussed, can help minimize brain damage following events like strokes, whether caused by hemorrhage or blockage due to blood clots. Studies have shown that rosemary's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects help protect the nerves and may prevent the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 5. Anti-inflammatory effects. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory capability of rosemary is an undeniable benefit, helping to alleviate pain and inflammation in individuals suffering from conditions like arthritis, osteoarthritis, and muscle pain. Integrating rosemary into the daily diet, whether as a spice or in tea, not only enriches the flavor of meals but also offers unexpected health benefits. 6. Combat stress. Recent studies have shown that the use of rosemary essential oil can help reduce pain and effectively combat stress. Applying the oil directly to affected skin areas can bring a sense of comfort and relief. Additionally, regularly drinking rosemary tea is not just a relaxing habit but also supports improved sleep quality, helping to reduce stress-related insomnia. 7. Boosts the immune system. Another significant benefit of rosemary is its ability to strengthen the immune system. Its antibacterial properties, along with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, enable rosemary to inhibit the growth of viruses, bacteria, and fungi, thereby reducing susceptibility to infections. 8. Detoxifies the fatty liver. Furthermore, rosemary is used as a natural preservative, extending the shelf life of food, and also supports liver detoxification, particularly beneficial for those with fatty liver disease. In both traditional and modern medicine, rosemary is seen as a natural cure-all with a variety of uses. The harmonious combination of its healing properties and pleasant flavor makes rosemary an indispensable part of many people's daily lives. Using rosemary not only improves overall health but also creates a rich and enticing culinary experience. In summary, rosemary is not just a familiar herb in the kitchen but also a valuable source of health benefits. From improving mood, reducing stress, supporting cognitive function to enhancing the immune system and protecting liver health, rosemary truly is a superfood. Incorporating rosemary into your diet and daily healthcare routine offers benefits not only for physical health but also enhances the quality of life. With its unique properties, rosemary will undoubtedly continue to be an important part of natural medicine and global cuisine. Rosemary, a common herb in the kitchen, not only enriches the flavor of dishes but also brings a multitude of surprising health benefits. In particular, rosemary has been proven to benefit liver health by reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver. This is not only beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease but also provides a layer of protection against cell damage caused by medications or other toxins. 9. Benefits for skin and hair. Additionally, rosemary offers numerous benefits for skin and hair. It helps combat aging, promotes wound healing, and reduces conditions such as seborrheic dermatitis, acne, psoriasis, and prevents hair loss. This makes rosemary an essential ingredient in skincare and hair care products. 10. Benefits for eyes. In terms of eye health, rosemary has also shown great potential in enhancing eye health, particularly in combating age-related eye issues. It may help slow down the development of diseases like cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, reducing the risk of blindness. We remind you that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any health concerns, always consult your healthcare provider. Discover more about naturally healing the body and preventing unwanted illnesses through other interesting videos on our channel. Before we part ways, I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me on this exploration. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me. And now, as we bid farewell to this chapter, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most intriguing? What topics would you like me to cover in future videos? Let's keep the conversation going.